2018 Winter Olympic Games. Bobsled. A sled races down an icy track in the winter sport of bobsled or bobsleigh. Gravity alone sends it speeding down the narrow, twisting path. High banks of ice on either side of the track help keep the bobsled on course. The teams that compete can have 2 or 4 members. The sport was born in the 1870s when someone attached runners to a toboggan and raced it down an alpine mountain in Switzerland. Soon after, a track was built that could be used when the weather was right. The first Winter Olympic Games in 1924 in Chamonix, France, had a 4-man bobsled event. In 1932, the 2-man bobsled event joined the Winter Games. Women began competing in bobsled at the Winter Olympics in 2002 in Salt Lake City, Utah. Today, there are 3 Olympic bobsled events: the 2-woman, 2-man, and 4-man events. Since heavier weight increases sled speed, there are weight limits to the sport. A 2-man bobsled and crew can't exceed 390 kilograms or 860 pounds. A 4-man bobsled and crew can't weigh more than 630 kilograms or 1,389 pounds. The maximum weight for the women's sled and crew is 340 kilograms or 750 pounds. In addition, there are size limits. A bobsled for 2 can't be longer than 2.7 meters or 8.8 feet, and a bobsled for 4 can't be longer than 3.8 meters or 12.5 feet. A modern bobsled track is made of concrete and artificial ice. It has at least one straight section and many curves. Speeds of 130 kilometers per hour or 80 miles per hour are easily achieved. Racers start by pushing the sled up to 50 meters or 164 feet. Then they jump in the sled and sit down. 1 man or woman drives. A second team member operates the brake. A pair of pushers completes a 4-man team. The driver steers the sled by pulling ropes for left and right turns. The brake stops the sled by lowering a piece of metal into the ice. Each bobsled event has 4 heats or timed runs down the track over a 2-day period. The goal is to get the lowest combined time. Every fraction of a second counts in this sport. In fact, bobsled times are measured in hundredths of a second.